Hi, I'm Cheri Roman from Roman Agency Inc. in Austin, Texas. Welcome to another segment of Insurance, Death, and Taxes. You know, in Austin, Texas, we have a lot of students, and therefore we have a lot of renters. So today I'm going to talk about renters insurance. People don't really understand why they should get renters insurance or why the apartment complex, requires it a lot of times. Well, the reason is that renters insurance is going to protect the landlord or the owner of the property from something stupid that maybe you might do. They don't want to be responsible for your liability. And therefore, usually they require you to have at least $100,000 in liability coverage. Now, what that covers you for is, say somebody says it's your fault that maybe their property was damaged because you left your bathtub on and the water leaked down to the people underneath you in your apartment complex. Well, if you have renter's insurance and it really was your fault, then your renter's insurance would cover your liability and you would not be sued personally, and neither would your landlord. So that's the reason that you have renter's insurance. Now, the good thing about renter's insurance is it's relatively inexpensive. The average renter's policy is about $16 per month. Okay, well, that's not very much. And it also, in addition to protecting your liability, it also protects your personal property. And it protects your personal property from like smoke, lightning, water, theft, explosion, etc. Anything that might happen. Now, with theft, it's very common, especially in an apartment complex, especially where students tend to live. It's very common for things to get stolen out of your apartment. Also, it protects you. A certain percent of your property is protected, say if it's in your automobile. So renter's insurance is something that really every renter should have. It's very inexpensive. Oh, one other coverage that you also have on a renter's policy is like medical expense coverage. If somebody is hurt in your apartment or in your rental house, then you have a limited amount of medical coverage to protect them. And to protect you so that somebody won't come back and say that you need to pay for their medical expenses. Well, if you have any questions about renter's insurance or any other insurance, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you. Go to my website, cheriroman.com, send me an email, and I'll help you in any way I can. I'm Cheri Roman from Roman Agency Inc. in Austin, Texas. Thank you.